Here's a closer look at that Italia and its Cressus spatha, which is, I believe, endangered in its home range, native habitat, or possibly endemic range. And they're from Hispaniola, I think, yeah, Haitian side. And I know Montgomery has a batch of these too, and I think last time I was there about a year or so ago, they were flowering. So I don't know if they're turning out seeds. So, but yeah, I guess these are endangered. I'm not sure what that is. I don't think it's Leucothrinex. I don't know what that guy is. There's some nice, I don't know, the silvery palmettos there. Let's go over here. This one has a tag on it and it looks similar to the one I just was staring at blankly without knowing. Leucothrinex mauricii. So I guess that's what that other guy was too. So there's a whole batch of Leucothrinex in here. They're even flowering a little bit. All right, so let me stop. Oh, all right. So here's a cute little thatch palm. We'll stop with this one here. Let's see if we can. Nice that they have tags, because I tell you, some crown shafty things. Okay, that's Thrinex Radiata, and some thatch palms are just. I mean, some stand out. Some are pretty obvious. That's another Radiata. Interesting diminished habit on those, like a not real robust Radiata. They have rows of planted Radiata as you drive in that are looking really good, so those might just not have been fed very well. So there's some stands of Tychosperma there, I would assume. I don't see any taggage. Oh yeah, there is. Probably MacArthur's or something. Yeah, MacArthurii. All right, so I'll stop here and pick up in another spot. Oh, I guess we'll give a shout out to these little bottle palms here. Little Hyphorbi legenicalis. And before I shut off, I don't think there's a tag on that suit of Phoenix that I had in the first clip. All right, so I'll stop and pick up elsewhere. Actually, yeah, we saw that one already. Okay, so I'll stop. I'll start out on the south end, do another 1.5, 2 minute clip here to finish out FIU. At least, actually, there's one other area I have to do. So some nice fat Copernicea here. I'm not real keen on citing Copernicea right off and knowing what the species is. So you guys, I mean, there's a macroglossa there. Those three are easy. And I think there's an alba coming up, but that's about as far as I go. But anyway, gorgeous Copernicea. Kind of looks like a Gausia. So we'll see. There's an Orenga, a rather large Orenga clumping. That Copernicea right there looks like could be an alba, or I guess is prunifera also in that. Here's a Prachardia. This is nice. Let's see. They actually have a tag on this one, so we'll see. It's a Pacifica. Okay, cool. So yeah, there you go. Prachardia Pacifica. And a nice chubby little Borassus there. There's another Borassus right behind it, but it seems like it's struggling. It's having a hard time throwing out new leaves. Carpoxylon there. I don't know what that is. Might be another. Oh, it's a kind of looks like a Dipsis. Maybe Listelliana. Doesn't look like a Leptokilos per se. But it could be. I don't know. Things vary quite a bit. And I don't know what that one is right there. And there's no tag on it. These, I'm guessing, are Alays, if I'm saying that right, the oil palm, but I don't think it's Guinensis. So it might be the, what is it, Olerifera, the American New World Alays, the oil palm. But I have no clue. Oh, good, we're getting sunlight finally. I got here a little after 6 in the morning, so. Anyway. All right, so that kind of rounds out this bulk area. There's a mangrove palm here, Laquala spinosa. That's probably a nice, pretty one to finish out for this little segment. Oh, there were some needle palms planted for the Florida native folks that like that action. Let's see where I shut. Oh, Livistona decora. I always love these things. I see these occasionally in DOT plantings, and I really think they should be used more in landscaping. That ribbony effect is really nice. So there you go, and another Bismarck silhouetting the sky there, and that might be another Livistona right there. No, you know what? I bet that's a sable. Let's see if there's a tag. I don't think there is. Nah. All right. So anyway, lots to see if you come down to the FIU Palmetum. You can just Google it. It's like the campus is almost like a square, and this is on the north end of the square at like 12 o'clock if you were to, you know, do a clock thing with it. It's not too hard to find. Oh, and I'll make sure I get a shot of the conservatory. There's 2 other areas to look at, and then we'll be done. Oh, there is a tag on this. Let's see what this guy is. Oh, it's Cerebus. Okay, Livistone is Cerebus. All right. Alrighty, so that's that.